Hi guys, welcome back to It's Me Natty. Today I'm kind of going to be bending lower so you can see me. Just for the beginning, I'm going to make a quick smoothie for the kiddos and for myself. Basically, whenever my fruit is going bad, like my bananas or my strawberries, I wash them up and I put them in the freezer so we don't waste them. And I go ahead and use them for smoothies. So this is about 15 strawberries, 2 bananas. So this is going to be enough for a family of 5. You see it's pretty full in there. So after I go ahead and blend all that with some milk, I'm going to add some carrots so we get some veggies.
Hi guys.
Hi. So I'm adding some almond milk. I'm sorry, this one's soy. I'm adding some soy milk. And then I kind of do some soy milk or almond milk or regular milk or whatever I have. And then I'm going to add some flax seeds.
Hi.
Hi. This bag's almost done, so I'm just going to pour it all in. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Buddy, can you give Desi some more grapes to keep him entertained? So now we're going to turn it back on. We're gonna, oh my gosh, did I break my machine? A little bit more water. I kind of filled it up. I went a little overboard because I got excited to show you guys. But I'm still going to add some carrots to get some vitamin A, or is it vitamin C? It's one of the vitamins. It's calcium, potassium, and I could have sworn it was vitamin C or A, one of those vitamins. Something that's good for you. Whatever. It's something yummy. Something good for your eyes or your ears or your... Honestly, guys, I never really know what I'm doing. I kind of just go, press whatever. And then I always taste before I add some stevia or honey or agave. Just if it's too sweet, I don't add anything. It's actually perfect. I won't be adding any sweeteners. It's a tad bit thick, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more water.
That makes
And
it not.
like I said, you guys, I really don't know what I'm doing. I don't have a plan.
Hi guys.
I take it as it is. I go with the flow, you know?
Please subscribe.
But I'm sorry, he's a little, pushy. All right. Hope you enjoy your smooth.
Yeah!
And you can make it with whatever. I add spinach, I add kale, whatever I have in my fridge that's about to go to waste, I just throw it in there. And like I said, whenever my strawberries or bananas or pineapple, stuff like that is about to go bad, I add them in a Ziploc bag, and that's what I used in the previous smoothie. But I have another batch of strawberries that's about to go bad, so I'm adding it in the baggie. I know you guys have probably noticed that I don't cut up the stems from the strawberries, and I don't know, I just don't. If you think it's gross, I don't know what to tell you, I just don't do it. Maybe it just gives it more nutrients, maybe it doesn't, but we're fine. So I'm gonna add 2 bananas to that bag. And then I'll make another batch. By the way, I'm gonna add the blender that I used below, along with the mason jars that I used.